The Bavarian automotive giant BMW has showcased the unique electric car BMW i5 Flow, whose body is capable of displaying various animated patterns. Its designers were inspired by the legendary art car 525i E34, created by South African artist Esther Malangu in 1991. Unlike its predecessor static patterns, the novelty boasts a wide variety of animated designs that can change sequentially. This became possible thanks to a special e-ink laser film controlled by electronics and capable of displaying a great variety of colors and shades. The body is covered with 1,349 sections of this coating, each of which is controlled separately. They create incredible dynamic patterns and give the electric car a truly unique exterior. Want to experience the full effect of immersion in virtual reality? Then the new Cable Robot Simulator platform from the engineers at the Max Planck Institute is exactly what you need. The device consists of a large carbon fiber cage with a platform for placing a person inside. It is suspended in the air by 8 cables controlled by powerful electric motors. Thanks to this combination, the platform can tilt, rotate, and move in all planes with accelerations of up to 1.5 g, accurately replicating everything that happens in the virtual world. Such a device will provide unforgettable experiences from playing various virtual simulators like Star Wars Battlefront, Eve, Valkyrie, and others. You've probably seen how dogs shake themselves dry after a bath. A car can now do the same. Thanks to the SkyRide Smart Suspension, the Nio ET9 electric car can autonomously shake off ice and snow after a long park. This chassis consists of 4 independent shock absorbers controlled by a system of special hydraulic pumps and the latest microprocessor. In addition to shaking off the body, the suspension can keep it perfectly level even when driving off-road. This was demonstrated during test trials where the car acted as a waiter. The electric car carried a pyramid of champagne-filled glasses over speed bumps without spilling a drop of the noble beverage on the hood. Construction has begun on the world's largest floating solar power station off the western coast of the Netherlands. It will be built using innovative technology from the Dutch company Solar Duck. This solution consists of corrosion-resistant and storm-resistant floating platforms with solar panels attached to them. The platforms themselves are positioned above the water surface, and their design allows them to move in sync with the waves. This keeps important electrical components dry and clean, ensuring their stable operation and simplifying maintenance. Additionally, the modular platforms with solar panels will be integrated into an existing wind power station, maximizing the use of natural forces for electricity generation. Now, let's move on to the Chinese train. This is all you need to know about its stability at 340 km per hour. The Unitree H1 robot, which we have mentioned a few times before, continues to evolve. Not long ago, this android broke the Guinness World Record for the fastest full-size humanoid robot. Its linear walking speed on a smooth surface reached 3.3 meters per second. The previous speed record for such devices was 2.5 meters per second. Before setting the new achievement, the robot went through a little warm-up and showed how smoothly it can move its arms, legs, and torso, performing a real choreographic dance. It's worth noting that this android is equipped with an innovative power system that provides the highest level of speed, power, maneuverability, and flexibility, making it the most powerful general-purpose humanoid robot in the world. Unlike its Chinese counterpart, the German robot H1 does not have super powerful characteristics. However, it can sense touch thanks to artificial tactile skin covering most of its body. This skin consists of a set of 1,260 hexagonal sensor cells with microprocessors and various sensors, that can detect temperature, speed, distance to objects, and provide the machine with a sense of contact with the surrounding environment. According to the developer, there are more than 13,000 sensors on the robot's body in total. It is expected that such androids will find applications in fields where contact with people and sensing them is necessary, such as caring for the sick or elderly. Introducing the crazy project from the motorcycle studio Tailgunner, the Yamaha superbike equipped with an M134 minigun. This 6-barreled automatic weapon has a firing rate of 6,000 rounds per minute and is installed on NATO military vehicles. To mount the machine gun on the bike, the developers had to remove the motorcycle's original fuel tank and replace it with a 5.7-liter reservoir. Nitrous oxide is used as fuel, allowing the bike to accelerate up to 320 kilometers per hour. Owners of such a monster will be fully prepared for a zombie apocalypse. However, when riding on public roads during peacetime, the police are likely to have many questions for them. To celebrate the release of the second part of the fantasy trilogy Dune, the company Hamilton has released 2 novelties from the Ventura collection: the Hamilton Ventura Edge Dune and Ventura XXL Bright Dune models. Both novelties feature a futuristic case design and unique dials. The mechanism is the primary distinction between the two models. In the Edge Dune, it's electronic, while in the Bright Dune, it's quartz. Both models have a dial backlight mechanism built into the buttons. When pressed in the mechanical version of the watch, a blue pattern appears on the dial. The designers were inspired by the eyes of the Freemen, who play a key role in the Dune stories. Both models are released in limited series, and they cost between $1,800 and $2,500. And now, from the desert dunes, let's move to the frozen wires. Here's another interesting way to use drones to remove ice and snow from power lines. Mesmerizing sight, isn't it? Chinese authorities plan to use a lunar version of the ground-based Skynet system to monitor their future moon territories. Skynet is the unofficial name for the Chinese video surveillance network, which uses the world's largest neural network for facial recognition. China has over 600 million surveillance cameras installed. There is 1 camera for every 2 citizens in the country. It is this system that the space agency proposes to base the lunar version on. It is planned that the lunar version of this solution will consist of cameras weighing about 100 grams and controlled by AI. The devices will be able to independently identify, locate, and track suspicious targets. The surveillance system will be used on the moon primarily to monitor foreign visitors to the base and identify suspicious activity. Don't want to be distracted by sights out the window during a tour but still want to know all about them? Then the AR Interactive Vehicle Display solution from scientists at Taiwan University is just what you need. This technology tracks the passenger's gaze and provides detailed descriptions of what they see. Here's how it works. Cameras for tracking eye movements are placed above the vehicle's windows. When the user looks out the window, the system assesses the direction of their gaze and, using GPS data analysis, determines which landmark the passenger is currently looking at. The vehicle's windows are covered with transparent touch panels that display information about the selected object. Rolls-Royce has assembled a car with a custom design valued at $39 million, making it one of the most expensive in the world. The project took 5 years to complete. The unique model is called Arcadia Droptail, which translates to Paradise on Earth. It took 5,000 hours of design, material cutting, installation, and processing. The 2-seater supercar features a retractable roof styled like a droptail. It is made of carbon fiber, known for its enhanced strength. The interior is adorned with Santos straight-grain wood. It is used for the dashboard, side panels, rear shelf, and the largest central armrest in Rolls-Royce history. Carbon fiber fibers are incorporated to increase the wood's strength. Computer-aided design, or CAD, was used extensively to create an interior with abundant wood. The company spent 1,000 hours developing a method to protect the wood in the convertible from water, resulting in a proprietary lacquer superior to yacht grade. Christopher Terpstra, the creator behind the YouTube channel Chris Makes Stuff, has crafted a unique bicycle named Blue Steel inspired by the movie Tron. It got its name from the blue LED lighting integrated under the seat. The model is based on a Schwinn bicycle from the 1960s. The handlebars, part of the frame, and brake handle were taken from it. The remaining frame parts were fabricated from aluminum tubing. The vehicle lacks pedals with footrests located at the rear, and it accelerates up to 30 miles per hour from a 2,000-watt engine. The attachment of the one-sided front fork to the rim is done through a bracket with 6 nylon rollers. The bike's development took 400 hours and just under $1,000. The Technical University of Munich has unveiled the next-generation truck, inot, boasting a futuristic look and cutting-edge technologies. Among the vehicle's smart features are customizable displays and controls for each driver, delivering only essential information to avoid distractions, driver attentiveness monitoring, and traffic flow control. The project aims to make freight transport cleaner, safer, and faster. The electric-powered vehicle is equipped with batteries charged by solar panels, wind turbines, and regenerative braking systems. There are sockets on the body for charging other vehicles in the parking lot. Professor Luigi Colani contributed to the development of the truck's space-age exterior with its elongated glass nose. Currently, the inot truck serves as a testbed to showcase its integrated technologies to the public. Tired of mowing and tidying up the lawn? Let the world's first artificial intelligence lawn care robot, Verdi, handle it for you. Created by electric sheep and inspired by the movie Wall-E, Verdi has a friendly appearance. Its built-in artificial intelligence named ES1 works in tandem with externally placed cameras to create a map of the terrain from a bird's-eye view. This allows the device to independently navigate lawns with obstacles. With various battery-powered attachments, the robot can trim the grass with a trimmer, prune twigs with scissors, blow away mowed grass with a blower, and cut branches with a chainsaw. The articulated platform with large and small wheels enables easy movement across the grass. The use of VR technology for patients in the intensive care unit during treatment helps increase activity and uplift mood. Even while lying in a hospital bed, patients can travel on a bicycle along a coastal path, paddle a canoe down a river, or immerse themselves in the underwater world of the ocean, exploring its inhabitants. At the AUSA exhibition, General Dynamics Land Systems unveiled the TRX SHORAD robotic vehicle designed for air defense. The main feature of the invention is its ability to autonomously navigate and engage targets without the presence of an operator on site. The technology is aimed at destroying drones, helicopters, and short-range aircraft. The tracked vehicle with a hybrid diesel-electric drive has high mobility. It is equipped with 2 Stinger missile systems, an M230 automatic cannon, and a machine gun. The SHORAD system has its own radar network for target detection and a reconnaissance drone. The combat vehicle is equipped with thermal imagers, laser sights, and cameras. The development of the air defense system is driven by the active use of drones in modern military conflicts. TRX SHORAD has proven itself successful in tests against small drones like the DJI Phantom. German conglomerate Rheinmetall showcased the updated Fuchs Evolution armored personnel carrier, which can serve as a platform for medical, engineering transport, ECM installations, or bomb disposal. The technical specifications allow for the installation of a short-range SAM system or a mortar team on the armored vehicle. The main feature is its remote control feature and virtual reality goggles, which enhance human safety. Thanks to cameras, the operator has a 360-degree view. Among the updates is increased engine power to 455 horsepower, allowing the APC weighing 25 tons with a payload capacity of 9 tons to travel at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. The increased weight is due to thicker armor, which was not present before. Joint production of the German APC is planned in Ukraine at the facilities of the Ukroboronprom plant. To expand aviation capabilities, SolarShip has created a hybrid aircraft that uses aerodynamic lift like an airplane and natural lift like a hot air balloon. And it's the world's first hybrid aircraft powered solely by solar energy. Solar panels are positioned on top of the wings, efficiently absorbing sunlight. The innovation is intended for use in Africa to deliver humanitarian cargo to places inaccessible by conventional planes or cars, where travel by traditional airships would take too long. The SolarShip aircraft has delta wings with flaps, enhancing maneuverability in the sky. However, the wings themselves are filled with helium, significantly shortening the required runway length to just the size of a football field. As a result, the aircraft can do what airplanes and airships can't individually. The aircraft holds several records for takeoff and landing on electric propulsion. There's a revival of the three-wheeled narrow-body car from Top Gear, first introduced 20 years ago. Now known as the Carver EV, it is equipped with electric propulsion instead of a gasoline engine. With a width of just 39 inches, the car can navigate through narrow streets which regular cars can't get through. Moreover, it features a closed cabin and full glazing, making it usable year-round. Enhanced maneuverability in traffic jams is provided by the suspension with a chassis that allows the body to tilt. The electric motor with a battery pack provides a range of up to 80 miles. There are two configurations available, a two-seater passenger version or a cargo version. In the former, passengers are seated one behind the other. There's even a trunk with a volume of 75 liters. In the latter version, the rear seat is absent, replaced by a compartment with a capacity of 500 liters. Since the tricycle fits under scooter parameters, it is permitted to be driven from the age of 16. To welcome visitors to Tokyo, Japan, traveling over the Sumida River Bridge or flying overhead, a boat resembling a zipper has been developed. The ship exactly reproduces the shape of a zipper, but on a gigantic scale. When it moves quickly across the water, it creates the impression from above that it's unzipping the river like a jacket. The idea of creating a small attention-grabbing boat for tourists came from artist Yasuhiro Suzuki. The 29-foot boat has a chrome metal hull. Its cabin, shaped like a slider, conceals the crew. There's a hole at the front end through which the operator steers. People on top are not visible. The novelty delights tourists who immediately reach for their iPhones to snap photos of the boat. Diamond and gem-covered watches are no longer new, but watches with a meteorite aged 4.5 billion years are truly rare. The Swiss company Girard-Perregaux has released the free Bridge Meteorite novelty. A meteorite found in Namibia was used to decorate the dial. The material is called gibbon. It's an iron-nickel alloy that's much older than humanity. To create the watchmaker sliced the meteorite into thin plates, applied a cosmic pattern to it, and secured it on the dial with screws on each side. Its presence reflects the timeless flow of time and the wonders happening in the universe. The invention costs almost $30,000. But it's the price of wearing a fossilized piece of time on your wrist. A team of engineers from Canodal Company have created a breakthrough in the production of mountain bikes. They've developed FlexPivot, a lightweight and incredibly strong carbon element that replaces bearings and hinge equipment on the bottom of the frame. FlexPivot is not only much lighter than standard hinges, but also withstands higher loads, and its service life can be twice as long as that of a standard hinge. Moreover, FlexPivot provides the same range of movements and bends as a regular hinge. It provides excellent grip on the road, smooth suspension operation, and responsiveness on any part of the trail. This seemingly small detail allows extreme sports enthusiasts to explore new horizons of riding, along with new, lightweight and durable bikes built using FlexPivot technology. Berlin-based startup Motion aims to fundamentally change urban mobility with innovative cargo bikes. Ono is a hybrid of an electric bike and a car, providing faster and more efficient transportation. The unique driver's cabin design ensures reliable protection from rain and wind. The bike is equipped with electronic theft and tampering protection. The container module occupies an area of 6.5 cubic feet and can be easily replaced through the built-in ramp. With just 4 of these electric bikes, you can replace a full-size truck in terms of cargo capacity. Ono operates on a battery that can be replaced in seconds with a range of 18 miles. This vehicle can replace sprinters, trucks, and delivery vans and become a pioneer in emission-free goods transport in cities. It is efficient, eco-friendly, and you don't need a driver's license to operate it. The Looi platform can instantly turn your iPhone into a desktop robot. The platform is based on ChatGPT and uses your phone's camera and processing power to recognize faces, gestures, and objects. All you need to do is place your phone on the platform and activate the special app. This robot can express itself through your phone's display. It has a biomimetic behavior mechanism for realistic emotional expression. Looi is smart enough to act as your operator, and if kids like the robots, it can offer several interactive games with motion sensor. The platform features wireless charging capabilities, obstacle and fall sensors, an RGB LED panel, and headlights for safe movement. The amazing Peugeot Inception heralds a new era and embodies the brand's vision for the electric cars of the future. Peugeot Inception offers the best benefits of an electric car combined with the power of a true sports car. The car is based on the large STLA platform with a low profile of 4.4 feet and a length of 5 feet. It is equipped with a new electric setup and a 100 kilowatt-hour battery that allow it to travel 500 miles on a full charge. The battery charges in just 25 minutes. The concept car is equipped with 2 compact electric motors, one at the front and one at the back, making it an all-wheel drive vehicle. Speed enthusiasts also have something to rejoice about, as it accelerates from 0 to 60 miles in just 3 seconds. And we haven't even mentioned all the technological advantages that Peugeot Inception has to offer. The main thing to know is that the car is designed with literally everything you might need, as the creator's new goal is to make Peugeot the leading electric brand in Europe by 2030. Truma Mover SX is an advanced maneuvering system for your trailer. The system allows you to move or rotate your trailer with incredible precision and extreme caution. With this maneuvering device, you can position your trailer exactly as you want it, whether it's at the campsite or in the backyard. Thanks to the powerful Truma Mover motor reducer, it easily and reliably moves trailers weighing up to 2 tons. The control of Truma Mover is intuitive. A swivel handle is used for steering, and a slider is used for acceleration. You can even simultaneously steer and push the trailer to carefully navigate around obstacles. Masking Master is an incredibly simple yet insanely convenient tool for repair work. Masking Master is a painter's tape dispenser that has revolutionized the preparation for professional finishing repairs. This universal tool helps easily apply tape while maintaining the desired distance from the surface. And all of this can be done with just one hand, which is much more convenient than the traditional method of application. The manufacturer guarantees that with this invention, your work will be 5 times faster and more precise, and it seems he's telling the plain truth. ActiveBuds are the world's first headphones capable of providing you with guidance. The uniqueness of these headphones lies in their ability to provide you with direct access to ChatPal from OpenAI. Yes, this small device places the power of a large language model right in your pocket. You can interact with ChatPal using either the headphones or the body with a microphone. For example, you can ask for directions or request help in making plans, and ActiveBuds will do it. They provide the perfect balance of sound thanks to the ceramic drivers, which are not only audible but also palpable. The speakers with gold-plated connections ensure the clarity and depth of every note and beat. It seems like we found the perfect headphones. Fiat has shared its concepts for incredible cars that will hit the market later this year. The lineup of new cars includes a city car, pickup truck, fastback, SUV, and camper, all based on the existing Panda model. The list of concepts includes the city car and pickup, urban cars that form the basis of the new generation. The sporty version of the car, combining elegant design, simplicity, and speed, seems to be the most interesting option. But the most daring creation from Fiat should be the camper. In this car, the brand aims to recreate the promised sleeping berths, which will definitely appeal to travel enthusiasts. Fiat is hedging its bets by committing to produce not only electric versions of each car but also hybrid ones, and with internal combustion engines. However, the manufacturer has not shared precise technical specifications, so we'll just have to wait. What do you think of these inventions? If you like them, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. This is just a glimpse of what we have in store for you in the near future. So stay with us and stay updated on the latest technological advancements.